Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. Could be just our home screen. And then what you have to do is to just press a combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, power key, volume down, and we got these screenshots. You can find your screenshots in Photos. Stop hearts. So now it's on. You can find your screenshots in Photos in the special screenshots section. And here they are. From here you can share, edit, search with lens, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.